how to send photos or videos that can only be viewed once on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the View Once feature on both iPhone and Android. Start by opening WhatsApp and selecting the chat where you want to send the photo or video. Next, tap the camera icon beside the message box. You can either capture a new photo or video or choose one from your gallery. Once you've selected your media, look for the View Once icon, which appears as a number 1 inside a circle near the Send button. Tap this icon to enable View Once mode. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the photo or video can only be opened one time by the recipient. Oh, before sending, you can still add text, stickers, or make other edits if needed. When you're ready, tap the Send button. The recipient will be able to open the photo or video once, and after it's viewed, the media will no longer be accessible in the chat. This is a great way to share private photos, sensitive information, or temporary content without leaving it permanently available. That's how to send View Once photos and videos on WhatsApp